4th be with you always. Hey kids, so we are back for a Star Wars Day special. Today I'm going to show you these, which are probably the creme de la creme of the Star Wars and Adidas collaboration from 9 or 10 years ago now. So these are the Boba Fett ZX 800s. Probably the most sought after, I would say, of this this collaboration, along with the Han Solos. But for me, these are the pick of the bunch. I thought I'd show you the packaging. Really nice what they did here. So this is like a blister pack to mimic the blister packs that these little guys came in the late 70s, early 80s. You know, when all those toy figures came out. And the colourway on these is designed to absolutely mimic this fella here. Direct references everywhere, designed to sort of look worn out in parts. Anyway, yeah, now you've seen the packaging, let's crack these open and have a proper look. Right, now we've got the fragile blister pack out of the way. We can have a look at the shoes themselves. It just gives you a nice opportunity to look at the card artwork as well, which is absolutely fantastic. I mean, look at that. Those blisters are very fragile actually. A lot of those are no longer in existence. So something to bear in mind when you're looking on the aftermarket. But yeah, let's have a look at the shoes themselves. I mean, full of colour, full of references, I say, to this little guy here with the colourway. Inside the shoe, I've got tucked away the lace swap, and they are just full of details. I mean, let's have a toe to tongue on these. On the lace jewellery, you got Boba on the one shoe and Fett on the other. The tongue motif stands out fantastic. I mean, seriously, how cool is that? So he's probably the coolest character in the Star Wars universe. So the heel tab detail, again on the two shoes, you've got a couple of the badges that he wears. I don't know the meaning of these badges. You know, any Star Wars enthusiasts? I mean, I like Star Wars, but I haven't looked into what the meaning of these are. So maybe you can tell me in the comments. I mean, as you can see, just a fantastic shoe, lots of detail here. All the scuffs and the wear, you know, that they've replicated, really good. Let's have a look underneath. So it is a ZX 800 silhouette, and the insole. Really nice detail again. A little bit of Star Wars on the back of the tongue as well. So I mean, really, what a collector's piece these are. You know, for Addy collectors like me, or you know, Star Wars collectors in general. So they are. Let's put him here next to them. How good are those? Absolutely fantastic. So just a bit of a Star Wars Day special today for you, as it is May the 4th. I'm off to get ready to go the beer garden. So as always kids, yeah, thank you for taking the time to look at this vid. Have a bit of fun today, bank holiday weekend. Catch you next time, plenty on the way. Cheers.